Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest choices for your hard-earned cash. Today, we've got an epic drone showdown between the ATTOP drone and the Techwonderz drone with camera. Buckle up, because this comparison is going to be higher than your uncle's drone after a few too many eggnogs at Christmas. First up, let's talk about the cameras. The ATTOP drone flaunts a 2K 120 degrees wide-angle camera, offering a mini IMAX theater experience in the sky. Meanwhile, the Techwonderz drone boasts dual 1080p HD cameras with a front camera that can be rotated 90 degrees. It's got more angles than a geometry textbook. While ATTOP offers a wider, breathtaking field of view for those panoramic Instagram shots, Techwonderz lets you rotate and zoom in 50 times. Perfect for capturing detailed shots from various angles. Let's get into the fun stuff. The ATTOP drone has some cool tricks up its sleeve. You can draw a route on the app, speak to control its direction, or show AV gesture to snap a pic. It even does 360 degrees flips. Basically, it's the Tony Hawk of drones. But don't count out Techwonderz just yet. This drone also performs 360 degrees flips and has a follow me mode so it can capture your every move. Perfect for those dramatic slow-motion montages of you walking your dog. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're like me and can barely manage your TV remote. The ATTOP drone is all about simplicity. One button takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and 3 speed modes to cater to your skill level. It's like the drone equivalent of a self-driving car. Techwonderz isn't far behind. It offers 1 key takeoff, landing, emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. Plus, it's designed with beginners in mind. Even your grandma could fly it. Just make sure she doesn't mistake it for a giant mosquito. Now, let's talk battery life. The ATTOP drone comes with two 3.7 volts, 1100 mAh batteries, giving you a total of 20 minutes of flight time. Not bad, right? But Techwonderz is here to outlast. With its upgraded battery, you get up to 50 minutes of flying fun. That's practically a drone marathon. You could fly this thing around your neighborhood twice before it needs a recharge. Safety first, folks. The ATTOP drone has a low battery warning and an emergency stop feature. So if you're about to crash into your mom's prized rose garden, you can stop it just in time. Techwonderz takes it up a notch with its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. This drone dodges obstacles like it's in the Matrix. Perfect for those of us who are a bit directionally challenged. Overall, the ATTOP drone has received mixed reviews. Some users appreciate its user-friendly design and quick mastery, especially for beginners and older children. However, others have reported issues with functionality, short battery life, and difficulty in controlling the drone. On the other hand, the Techwonderz drone has garnered positive feedback for its high-quality build, ease of use, and excellent image quality. Reviewers have praised its long battery life and compact design, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. So, there you have it. Both the ATTOP drone and the Techwonderz drone have their own set of amazing features. If you're looking for a wider camera view and fun tricks, ATTOP might be your new best friend. But if you want longer flight time and obstacle dodging, Techwonderz is the way to go. Which drone would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future comparisons. Until next time, remember to buy smart and fly even smarter. Product links are in the description.